All right, so you guys know the drill. You spend hours editing a video, you write the perfect description, you drop in your social links, your merch store, your Discord invite, and then you hit publish. A year later, that video is still pulling in views, but every single link you put down there is dead. It's a total ghost town. It's called link rot, and it is a massive problem for creators. You are literally leaving money and community engagement on the table because you aren't checking if your own doors are still open. Today, I'm going to show you how I handle this. I built a tool that automates the whole process. It's a description link rot checker. It goes through your video descriptions, hits every URL, and tells you exactly what's broken, what's redirecting, and what's actually working. Let's walk through the build and the demo. I'm over here in my Python environment. I wanted something that was dead simple to use, so I built a clean GUI. You don't need to be a developer to run this. You just open it up, paste in your info, and let it rip. All right, so right here, I am going to run through it live with something someone would actually use. I'm pulling up the app on my desktop. I am typing into the mode field, paste description text. Next, I am setting my timeout in seconds to 10. You want to give the server a little breathing room to respond. Then in the input field, I am pasting a sample description that I know has some issues. Finally, in the full text report box, I am just leaving that ready for the output. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hit that check links button. Give it a second. It's scanning those URLs in the background, and right here, that is your output. The report flags the dead links and gives you a clear summary, how many URLs it checked, how many are okay, and how many are broken. That broken count is the whole point. That right there is the reality check. You might think your links are fine, but when you see a big fat one under the broken category, you know exactly what needs to be fixed. You just copy that report, go back to your video manager, and swap out the dead link for a new one. It takes seconds, but it saves you from looking unprofessional to your new viewers. I built this tool in Cursor, which is the AI code editor I've been talking about lately. It's just a super clean Python script. If you want to use this, you don't have to build it from scratch. This is a free Python desktop tool that you can download right now from caseybuildsit.com. Just head over to the Files or Free Tools section on the site. And here is the best part. I'm giving you the build prompt too, so if you want to change how it works, maybe you want it to automatically save a CSV file or scan an entire channel playlist instead of just one description. You can open the prompt in Cursor or any AI you use and just tell it what to change. It's yours to customize. When you're done, you can just hit the Export Report button. If you need to keep a record of your audits, it's simple, it's fast, and it keeps your channel from feeling like a graveyard of dead links. Go grab it at caseybuildsit.com, run it on your machine, and clean up those descriptions. It's a small step, but it's one of those things that separates the pros from the people just winging it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.